Hey guys, it's Jamie here, my indicator, the binary destroyer. So basically I'm going to do a video explaining how my new sort of upgraded version works. Basically, if there is any trade coming up, I will do a live trade just to sort of explain to you, because a lot of people always ask me, what's the rules and where's the perfect entry and etc. And well, as we can see on the Euro US dollar, we're in a nice downtrend. We can all see this, that we're in a nice downtrend. And then we sort of consolidated around here. And now what it looks like to me is we're in an uptrend, nice bullish move. I'm waiting for a pullback and a sort of price to sort of shoot up there. The trend dash isn't really telling me a lot at the minute because it doesn't know what's happening. As we can see, this is sort of, I'll try and explain to you what the trend dash means. You've got 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes. They are the time frames. So in the 5 minutes, we're clearly in an uptrend. 15 minutes uptrend, 30 minutes uptrend, etc., etc. The trend 1, 2, 3, and 4 basically means, how do I explain it? When all 4 of them are green, it's in an uptrend. When all 4 of them are down, it's in a downtrend. When you've sort of got this sort of trend 1 and trend 2 is up and trend 3 and 4 is down, it tends to be sort of going sideways, sort of ranging. As we can see here, we're clearly in an uptrend, but it looks like it's going to start reversing. So the trend is sort of telling me sort of it's not 100% an uptrend because it might be reversing. Let me try and explain to you. Okay, here you see we're in a nice clear downtrend. Trend 1, 3, and 4 is saying we're in a downtrend, but it could be the sign of a bullish move again, because of the fact that it's what one of the trends says up, and I did it this way to try and make it more easier, because instead of just having, let me try and explain to you. I can't really hide it, but let's say we just had, there we go, we just had trend 1 and it says we're in a downtrend. Okay, well, you'd think, okay, we're in a downtrend, 5 minutes is downtrend, 15 minutes is a downtrend, we're in a downtrend, right? So you jump in and take a trade. But if you actually looked at the bigger picture, you can see that, okay, we might be coming into an uptrend again. So that's why I sort of did this occasional, as you can see, 5 minutes has just jumped to a downtrend. So let me have a look. Yep, you see, clear downtrend. And that's what I said, look, it's a clear downtrend. That's why it's clear downtrend. You could probably jump in with a 5 minute trade there, might win it. I'm not going to do it, only because, well, actually, no, I will do it just to sort of try and prove my point. So look, what's that? USD chef. This is not the rules of the indicator. I'm just trying to explain to you sort of how the indicator works. Let's say a pound, yeah, the next 5 minutes we're going to shoot down. Okay, so I'll pause the video, I'll come back in 5 minutes time, and then I'll carry on explaining to you what I mean. Hey guys, right, so we've got 8 seconds to go, and actually I'm going to lose that, I'm going to win it, I'm going to lose it, I'm going to win it, and I actually won that, and that was actually a close win, because I was actually watching the trend dash and it was in a clear downtrend, which we agreed, as we can see. But then the sort of, you see how I said it's sort of 50-50 now, how like the price on the 1 minute chart is sort of, if you have a look at the 1 minute chart now, you see what I mean, how it's sort of it's a downtrend, but we're in this sort of pullback area here, so it's sort of 50-50. But if you look at the 5 minutes, we're in a downtrend. So again, you could probably jump in and take another 5 minute trade, but that's not the rules of the indicator. Forget what I just said. I'm just sort of explaining to you how it works. If you're in a clear, if all 4 of them are lining up, then we're in a clear downtrend. If it's sort of 50-50 like the 5 minutes just now, it sort of doesn't really know what to do, it's going sideways. So to look for the perfect trades, you want the sort of 1, 5 and 15 really to be sort of going in the same direction. If the 1 minute is going up and the 5 minutes are going down, it's, you know, it's not really, you want all of them to be going in the same direction to confirm a trend, really. So yeah, you know, basically what you're looking for with the indicator is you're looking for the price, let me zoom in here, to break these two price lines. Let me try and find your perfect trade. See, these are all sort of not really signals because the bands are too sort of close together. It's NFP payroll this Friday and the market's sort of rubbish. Hold on. Let's go to this signal. This is a nice signal. Hold on. This one here. Can you see how the price has clearly broken the price lines? When an arrow appears outside of the price line and the candle and arrow is still outside the price lines, those are the perfect entries. You know, if the price comes out and goes back in and an arrow appears sort of in the middle, don't trade it. You know, trading in between the lines is risky, okay, for beginners. You want the price, this is sort of a moving price line. As you can see, the price sort of bounces in between it, you know. So if the price breaks it and it's up here somewhere, it will go back in. You know, it might not go in straight away. It might sort of carry on going up for a bit. But when the arrow appears, it's confirming a reversal is happening. So that means it's going to go back down into the price. It's the same if the price was down here, it will just shoot back up into between the price lines. So when a sort of signal arrow appears here, like, it's the perfect entry. You know, I mean, you could have took that for 2 hours and you still would be, you know, in the money. Let me draw this trend line. So you would have got in there, okay. Now the price hasn't really gone back up there until, you know, 3-4 hours later. So yeah, really, that's looking for the perfect setup. Also as well, taking trades with the trend. You know, you don't want to taking trades against the trend. When I trade, I always trade 15 to 30 minutes. I count the distance from here to here, which is about, you know, that's 10 candles. So you want to be looking for about a 15-minute trade here. You know, you don't be taking 30 minutes, because if that's 11 candlesticks from the price to go in there to there, then in 30 minutes the price is going to go there and back down again. You know, so you don't want to be sort of doing them sort of trades. You know, basically you want to be trading with the trend. So as we can see, the price is broke down here. You know, just give you an example here. The price is broke down here. So you want to be trading call trades. You know, this would be a nice signal here. 30 minutes would be there. That would have been a close win. Again, here a 30-minute trade would be a nice win, because as we can see, we're in a clear uptrend. What you can add to the indicator to help you sort of determine a trend as well, a moving average. So we'll go 50 moving average, right? And you can see that we're in an uptrend. If this is a little secret, okay, if the price is above the 50 EMA, we're in an uptrend. And if the price is down the 50 EMA, we're in a downtrend. So here, you see how the price has crossed the 50 EMA? Like, we're in a downtrend now. Okay, and we can see the 5 minutes is telling me, the 1 minute sort of telling me we're in a downtrend as well. So you want to be taking puts here. You know, this would be a nice signal here. 15 minutes is in the money, half an hour, it might be down there somewhere. So yeah, I will be making another video probably this Friday, explaining to you how to trade the indicator and how to get the best possible results. So yeah, thank you. If you're interested, drop me a message, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.